best peach cobbler to my channel. I'm Helma and I'm going to share with you simple, tasty and incredible recipes that would impress your friends. I hope you come along with me in this journey. We're gonna start with 5 peaches and we're gonna slice them. I'm gonna put the peaches on a pot. Quarter cup of sugar, brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a dash of nutmeg. I'm gonna mix them up, cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. I did add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna put 1 box of vanilla cake mix, 1 can of coconut cream. We're gonna mix this well. Add the peaches to a baking dish. I had to divide into dishes. Now I'm gonna put the mixture of the cake mix into the dishes. I'm gonna sprinkle some sugar. And I'm gonna add the sliced butter. This is going to a preheated oven, 350 degrees for 45 minutes. This is my peach cobbler. Let's try. With the ice cream. I'm gonna get a piece of peaches. Delicious. Hope you tried this recipe, and if you did, please click the like button, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.